Hi everyone, Barbara Bolt here with Bolt Global. This video is the second I'm doing on virtual communication, how to effectively communicate in the virtual environment. As we know, one of the biggest problems when we communicate virtually is keeping our audience's attention. They have the ability to multitask, to turn off their camera, and to just disappear. So I'm going to give you a couple of linguistic tips that can help you to keep your audience's attention. The first one is to use signposting language. Signposting language is the small little words that help your audience know what's going to happen next. It's very banal language like, first I'm going to talk about, then I'll talk about, or let's get started, or that's all I have on this topic. Now I'm going to move on to this topic. The more we can use these small little words, the more we keep people tuned in because people like progress. They like to know what's going to happen. So if we share that with them, it helps them engage. The second tip has to do with using language that creates intimacy with your audience. As we know, we're dealing with distance here. So if you use you and your or we and our as you're speaking, it helps people to feel included. It's inclusive language that creates this feeling that you're speaking really to them and about them. It's also great to use people's names when it's appropriate. So those are just a few tips to help you keep your audience engaged, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.